Hello everyone. Today we got a video for people just starting out with n8n. And if you want to use the Google Notes, the Gmail, Google Drive, you want to interact with your emails, you'll have to set up your Google connection. So it's a very easy step to do. So just click on any of the Google Notes, create new credential, and you'll see a similar window. Go ahead to the Google Cloud and you would have to create your account. So in my case, I'll move to my account I want to use, and I'll click try any of the buttons just to get to the Google Cloud account. So I don't want to start it with the Vertex AI. I'll just go to the main page. So to make this account, you might need to enter your billing details. So they just want to have your credit card on file. In fact, we are not going to use any of the credits. You're getting some for free. I think it's 416 as of May 2025. But we don't need them for API connections. We just need the developer account to get access to our API. So go ahead and create your new project. We're gonna call it n8n test. And we'll click create. So once your project is created, select the project and go ahead to the API and services. So in API and services, we need to go to authentication consent and we'll get started. We'll do n8n here. We need to add our support email, which is going to be email we'll be interacting with n8n. The app is going to be external, and we need some additional contact information. Just fill it out. I'm going to use the same email. And we have to agree with user data policy and create our account. So once we're done with this, we'll click on create authentication client. That's going to be a web application. We're going to choose a name to n8n. And here we need to add redirect URI. We'll click on URI here. We'll go back to our n8n and we will copy the link and authentication. So let's paste the link back. We'll click add and we'll click create. All right, we're gonna click OK, and here we'll enter our authentication client. We got our client ID. Go ahead and copy it, paste it back to n8n as a client ID, and also go ahead and copy your client secret, paste it here. Don't click sign in with Google just yet. We are not done. So once we're here and Google Cloud, click on audience, add users, and we'll have to add our account we're going to use in n8n. And Gmail. So once we added this user, we can go ahead in n8n and click sign in with Google. We'll have this window. We'll create our account. We'll create continue. And here we should give all the permissions to n8n to read emails, manage drafts, and read our Gmail inbox. So just give it permissions. So connection is successful, but we're not done yet since we didn't activate Gmail as an app in Google Cloud. So we'll go ahead and search for Gmail API. Once we are here, we'll click enable. And we just gave access to our Gmail API, and we'll also test Google Drive. So we'll go Google Drive API. We'll click enable. All right, and now let's test the connection. So once we activated our Google Drive API, we'll go ahead and we would have to create a new credential again, and we'll need to use our credentials. So we'll go back to client, copy client ID. We'll copy our client secret. We'll sign in. Continue. So we'll allow permissions for Google Drive. This. And now let's test. I'm pretty sure my Google Drive is empty for this account, but we got access. So I just added one picture to my Google Drive just to show that connection works. And we got our picture 1. All right, and here we are. I know it might seem intimidating at first, but it's easy to set up. And once you do it, you'll have access to the rest of the Google apps. Just please make sure to go to Google Console and enable the API for them. And if you like the video, follow the channel and give it a like, and see you the next one.